Like that. Little ketchup. Okay, eat it. Good job, Nico. Another one. Ketchup. Let's get some more. Good job, Nico. Use your fork. Use your fork. Stab it. Dip it. Chow. Yeah, he's doing it. You like hot dogs? Kosher hot dogs. Incentive. Eating incentive. Little Elmo pajamas. Oh, yes. Whatever the kid wants.
Now we know why the party was from 12 to 4. It's based on naps in the morning.
Yeah, makes sense now.
Huh?
Makes sense now. Good job, Nico. You like hot dogs? Yay! Use your fork, don't give up. There you go, ketchup. Okay, couple more bites. Look, Nico. Look. Look at your food. Okay. Good job. What? Is it kitty cat? Kitty cat? Kitty cat what? Kitty cat? Show me kitty cat. Kitty cat. Open. Open. You want me to let the kitty cat in? I see her. Okay, I'll let the kitty cat in. You finish one more bite. Ready? One more. I'll get the kitty cat. I know, that's kitty cat. Here, you have one more bite. Alright, he's not going to do nothing until I let the cat in. You want water? Show me water. Water, okay.